Viñales MV12. The Viñales MV12 is a stunning example of speed-meeting sophistication inspired by the racing lifestyle of MotoGP star Maverick Viñales. This custom-built motorhome oozes modern design, with a sleek aerodynamic body and a high-end interior crafted for comfort and class. Step inside and you'll find premium leather seating, smart lighting systems, surround sound, and an entertainment setup worthy of a racing champion. Whether you're parked at a racetrack or a scenic overlook, the MV12 makes every location feel like a VIP suite on wheels. Dembell Motorhomes. Dembell Motorhomes bring European luxury to the road with a design philosophy influenced by private jets and luxury yachts. These masterpieces are built with only the finest materials. Think hardwood floors, marble countertops, and suede wall accents. One standout feature is the rear garage, which comfortably houses a sports car for those who refuse to travel without style. Add in a full-sized kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and bedroom with panoramic windows, and Dembell delivers a mobile mansion that leaves nothing to be desired. 2002 Prevost 42 Liberty Coach 522. Though it's over 20 years old, the 2002 Prevost 42 Liberty Coach 522 remains a legend among motorhome enthusiasts, thanks to its timeless design and top-tier craftsmanship. This vintage powerhouse has been expertly updated with modern tech, while retaining its signature look and feel. Inside, you'll find a rich mix of polished wood, plush furnishings, and stainless steel appliances, all laid out in a floor plan that maximizes both space and elegance. It's a rolling classic that blends nostalgic charm with contemporary luxury. Earth Roamer HD. For those who dream of going off the grid without sacrificing luxury, the Earth Roamer HD is the ultimate choice. This beast of a vehicle is built on a Ford F-750 chassis and is equipped to conquer the roughest terrain while keeping you comfortable in the wild. It boasts massive solar power systems, 250 gallons of fresh water, a diesel-powered kitchen, and an interior loaded with handcrafted cabinetry and premium appliances. Built like a tank but furnished like a luxury condo, the Earth Roamer HD makes any destination feel like home. The 2024 Newmar King Air sets a new standard in ultra-premium motor coaches, combining cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury. Powered by a 605-horsepower Cummins engine, it features a digital cockpit, active safety systems, and smart home automation that puts full control at your fingertips. Inside, you'll find exquisite finishes, heated tile floors, cathedral ceilings, and all the amenities of a five-star hotel. Whether you're heading to a luxury RV resort or just want to enjoy life on the open road, the King Air delivers elegance without compromise. Living Vehicle HD30. If sustainability and independence are high on your checklist, the Living Vehicle HD30 is built for you. Designed to support full-time off-grid living, it features a powerful solar array, water-from-air system, and an optional all-electric tow vehicle platform. The interior is sleek and contemporary, with flexible space that can transform from a living room to a mobile office or even a fitness studio. Add in a luxury spa bathroom, gourmet kitchen, and tech-savvy automation, and you've got one of the most advanced, self-sustaining RVs on the planet. For Travel Motor Coach IH45 Luxury. The For Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach is a fully custom, handcrafted RV that offers a truly bespoke experience. Built on a proprietary chassis for superior ride comfort, each unit is tailored to its owner's taste, from premium hardwoods to Italian leathers and crystal fixtures. The technology package includes advanced navigation, smart lighting, and a robust entertainment system, all seamlessly integrated. Whether you're lounging in the plush salon or entertaining guests in the chef-grade kitchen, the IH45 delivers high-end living on every mile of the journey. Bolus Endless Highways Performance Edition. Bolus has reimagined the travel trailer with the Endless Highways Performance Edition, a fully electric aerodynamic masterpiece that pays homage to the classic Airstream design while breaking new ground in tech and sustainability. Lightweight yet incredibly durable, It features a lithium battery system capable of running off-grid for weeks. The interior boasts luxury finishes, a king-sized bedroom, a spa bathroom, and even pet-friendly amenities. It's perfect for modern nomads who want to travel light, travel smart, and never skimp on comfort. The 2024 Jayco Greyhawk XL is an ideal choice for families and adventurers looking for reliable performance with a touch of style. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis with expanded storage and towing capacity, while the interior offers updated cabinetry, modern decor, and intuitive tech features. From the spacious slide-outs and bunk options to the user-friendly entertainment system and well-equipped kitchen, the Greyhawk XL is all about making travel fun, convenient, and hassle-free for both weekend trips and long-haul journeys. Airstream Globetrotter. The Airstream Globetrotter is the perfect blend of vintage style and modern luxury, offering a sleek aluminum exterior that turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you'll find a sophisticated European-inspired interior, complete with modern appliances, wraparound seating, and sleek finishes throughout. Available in multiple floor plans, the Globetrotter is built for both comfort and adventure. With its aerodynamic shape and lightweight frame, it tows like a dream while giving you a boutique hotel experience on wheels. It's ideal for stylish road trippers who don't want to compromise on comfort or design. The 2024 Renegade Valencia 38BB is a powerhouse in the Super C motorhome class, combining rugged diesel performance with high-end features perfect for family travel. Built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis and powered by a Cummins engine, it's got the muscle to tow and the finesse to pamper. Inside, you'll find residential-style finishes, a spacious bunkhouse layout, solid surface countertops, and luxury vinyl flooring. With its user-friendly tech systems and expansive storage, the Valencia 38BB is all about reliable, comfortable, and family-friendly adventures in style. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is nothing short of a game-changer, combining futuristic design with brutal power and cutting-edge tech. With its angular exoskeleton made from ultra-hard stainless steel, this all-electric beast is designed to be bulletproof, tough, and unlike anything else on the road. It offers jaw-dropping acceleration, off-road prowess, and up to 500 miles of range depending on the model. With adaptive air suspension, a spacious minimalist interior, and the power to tow heavy loads, the Cybertruck is Tesla's boldest step into the pickup market, and it's turning heads everywhere it rolls. Tabert Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 slide-out luxury camping reaches a new level with the Tabert Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 slide-out, a premium European caravan that feels more like a five-star suite. With its signature slide-out feature, the living space expands to reveal an open, elegant layout filled with ambient lighting, leather upholstery, and a high-gloss kitchen. The master bedroom and spa-style bathroom give you the full luxury hotel vibe, while the Cellini's advanced towing tech ensures a smooth and stable ride. This trailer is built for those who want to explore without giving up the finer things in life. Prevost H345 VIP. The Prevost H345 VIP is a rolling palace that redefines the luxury motor coach experience. Known for its massive height and panoramic windows, this coach offers unmatched interior space and jaw-dropping views. Inside, each unit is custom designed with premium materials like marble, hardwood, and Italian leather. Amenities include full entertainment systems, spa bathrooms, gourmet kitchens, and even slide-out expansions for maximum living space. Built on a legendary chassis with top-tier safety and performance, the H345 VIP is the choice of celebrities, CEOs, and anyone who wants the ultimate in road travel luxury.